Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We are going to get this mower all cleaned up this evening. I have not washed this thing in quite a while. It's pretty dirty, really dusty because it's been very dry around here lately. But we're going to get it all cleaned up, put some degreaser on it, get a bunch of the crap that's just caked on the front of the deck. That's where the buildup of a lot of the grass always winds up. But we'll get it all cleaned up and get it ready back to cutting. So if you guys want to see how I clean it, go ahead and watch this video. Now we're going to start by taking all these little plastic covers off. You can see all up in here is all this grass buildup that just comes from not taking those off from the last time that I blew it off when I cut the yard here at the house. So we'll get all that taken off from here, move over to the other side, close that up, get this cover off as well. That one's always a pain. Now that one had quite a bit of grass and crap that's just blowing back on me now from the breeze now that it's at my back all of a sudden. Now I'm going to go grab the blower and get a bunch of this stuff out of here that I can't reach with my hands. So we'll get this all cleaned off and we'll take the top off of here as well. Now we got all the old grass blown out of the pulleys and everything and off the top of the deck there, the dry stuff. We'll go ahead and take, this is just a bottle of Simple Green that I like to spray all along the front there and the top of the mower deck. It's just kind of help as a degreaser and degreasing agent to get all that crap off of there. So we'll go ahead and spray all that off, probably spray off all in here too, just to kind of help the wash do a little bit better of a job. So let's get that all sprayed off. Now that we have that Simple Green coating the wheels, the top of the deck, the whole front part here where all the crap just gets baked on and caked onto, we'll go ahead and spray it off with some water, and then we'll move on to the actual wash part of the process. Got everything sprayed down, looking nice. Got that degreaser along the front there, the Simple Green. Just kind of help pull all the caked up crap off of there. So now we'll go ahead over to the bucket and mix up some suds and we'll start scrubbing. Now this is the wash that I just bought, this Chemical Guys Citrus Wash and Gloss. I typically use Chemical Guys Hybrid VO7, I believe is what it's called. But I found this stuff in Walmart and I needed something, and something's better than nothing. I'm not a huge fan of this, but it does do a pretty good job. I wasn't super impressed with the gloss that it left after it was done. The Hybrid VO7 wash does a really nice job. That's the stuff I'm gonna buy next, but this was just a small bottle I picked up in Walmart. I typically buy the big, it's 1.5 or 2 gallon jug, but I will be buying the 1.5 or 2 gallon jug of the Hybrid VO7. So let's go ahead and get this stuff mixed up. That's about all what you need in there. Mix this together. And then we'll throw that in there. Get that nice and soaked up too. And then we'll start scrubbing. Alright, we got everything scrubbed. Now we'll go ahead and rinse it down. It might be kind of difficult to see, but you can see how well that degreaser cleaned all the front stuff off the crap of the deck there. Did a really good job of getting that stuff knocked off and down. It's really hard to get in there and scrub that, especially with that thing that I use on my hand there to scrub everything off. But this mower already looks really good, really nice and clean. Like I said, it's been a long time since I last cleaned it. So it was, I would say, more than overdue for a good cleaning. Getting it nice and sprayed off here. And once we're done with this, just kind of let it air dry out here this evening. It's really nice this evening. It's about, God, I don't know, it might be like 72 degrees right now. Hardly any humidity. I'll move back around over here. Scrub these off, these little plastic covers. I just keep them on there. Figure if they were designed to be there, they're designed to be there for a reason. I don't know. That's just how I think. Whoop, kink in the hose. Stand by. Another kink in the hose. Back in business. Just kidding, another kink in the hose. Make sure we get all the soap and stuff off of there. You can see the whole front end there came out really clean, really nice, free of all that crap that's been there, caked on there for a while. That degreaser, Simple Green stuff, does a really good job. Really nice. And it's kind of hard to see, but right there on the casters was all that grease and crap build up. Well, that's completely gone now. I barely scrubbed that with my scrubber. That was mostly from the Simple Green. So that stuff does a pretty good job. I highly recommend you guys check it out if you're looking for a way to kind of easily remove any dirt and grime and crap off your mower, or anything really. Anything that you may regularly clean. So yeah, give that a try if y'all are interested in that. Simple Green. Right, so we got the mower all cleaned up, looking nice. Now we'll just let it air dry, and we'll be done with that. Came out really nice. It's good to just clean it every now and then really quickly. And like I said, with that, where's the Simple Green right there, that stuff did a great job getting this thing clean, getting it nice and shined up. Specifically that crap that cakes onto the front of the mower deck there. If you guys have stuff like that that cakes on there, you should use some kind of degreaser just to kind of help get it off. You don't have to put too much effort into scrubbing if you were using that. I mean, I barely did anything. All I did was spray it with the degreaser, and then after a minute or two of letting it sit, I just threw the water through the hose on it and cleaned it right up. Did a really good job. So hopefully you guys enjoy. That's just how I clean my mower. And I'll probably go ahead and clean the weed eater too, that and the combi system as well. I just do it the same way. I'll probably just wind up using just the degreaser for those and just spraying it off. Probably won't get into scrubbing and everything, but hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks guys, take care. We'll catch you all in the next one.